channel, guys. How are you? I hope you are fine and good now. Like the latest like the earning website, like this is the all of the task available now on this like this rectangles offer walls. So guys, this is the easily working, like everything so easily now. This task GcLoot, GcLoot. So this is the game, everything easily known. Just only I request to be end of watching this video, and then you will be understand know how to complete to be collect 10,000 coins. Everything easily now. Only I asking you something about this game, and I hope you will be completely watching my video. And please request to you don't skip this video, and I will be helping to you how to be collect 10,000 points. So let's start this video. So guys, I'm becoming here, and to be I download this already this game, and this is the everything so much easily, and this is the real application how to be earn now money on this game, and how to be complete to be this task on this game. Guys, this is the game features all. If you playing and reach the level, so then you will be earning coins, bird king, animal, this all of the options. So this is the all of options, and also here be this game options how to complete now this task. You're checking on these options, like be if you playing these games, and then you will be get earn coin more than more, because sometimes many people know to be show you something, so I will be clearly telling to you. So guys, if you playing this game, and then you will be also to complete to be this task, and you will be get your coins. And this is the survey options, and complete to be your survey, then you will be earn coins. So I will be clicking on next options. This time not to be have available offers. Okay, Revo. So guys, you checking now, here be also to be options available now, and complete to be this all of this task, and get your coins, and easily to be mobile apps. I will be clicking now. So guys, this is the everything, every options for you earning they give you. I will be just show you options how to be earning earn on these options, because this is the all of the everything easily know, and this is the survey. Okay, offer tour I checking now. Also to be here options how to be earn money on this stretch lot belly. Checking on this time multi rewards, and if you complete to be this task and get your coins, just I show you options all of where you will be easily earn coins, because they all of the options. Since I click on set option, if you're playing this game, and like we sorry, if you like we start now and complete to be this way, you will be also to easily like be earn coins, lots of, and everything so much easily on this time, on this game, because many people sometimes not to be know, but I will be click on these options. Rewards, Okay, stream. I click on stream. So you checking out here be also of people many like we earns dollars. This is the best application. So I will be asking you using this application also for earning. Checking many of people's like we earn on this app. So guys, I hope you will be enjoying this video. So thank you so much.